Hi, y'all. Over the past couple of weeks, you've seen how I build my blank scrapbook album bases, the structure, the spines, and the foundation. Well, today I'll show you how to transform a blank album base to a structured, interactive, and beautiful album you can cherish for years. Now, this isn't a step-by-step tutorial, but shares my approach and design thinking when completing an album. And this is the exact process I recommend for my Etsy album buyers.
Before adding anything, I plan the theme, colors, and page flow. Knowing the direction makes the decorating process intentional and smooth. Next, make sure the structure supports expansion. The layered spine and hinge system allow smooth page movement and long-term durability. Magnets and pockets are placed to work without stressing the spine. Now we add interactive features. Each piece can be added or removed based on your story. Use adhesives carefully, glue, tape, or removable options so they secure without damaging the pages. Once the structure and interactive elements are in place, we add the decorative layers. Small choices, papers, trims, and memorabilia can elevate cohesion and tell your story beautifully. Finally, flip through the album to test functionality. Check pages, interactive elements, and spine flexibility. A well-built album will look and function beautifully even years from now.
Well, there you have it. From blank bases to completed album, every step matters. If you want to begin your story with one of my blank scrapbook bases, check the link below. And remember, structure carries your memories forward, but decoration brings them to life.